Making Pops a birthday card. Color. Yeah, color. Try to figure out which color. Yeah. Good job. Yay. Good job. That's right. No. Here, now can you hold it up and say happy birthday, Pops? Oh, hold it up. Happy birthday. Can you color?
Yeah.
Say happy birthday. Can you blow him a kiss? Aww. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Pops. Can you say Pops? Yeah. Happy birthday.